All right, so here's my 2015 S550. I went and got some wiper blades. Here's the Mercedes-Benz Alexandria. Here's the part numbers, and that's how much it cost on this. $208. I would say the most expensive wipers I've ever purchased or heard of purchasing in my life. But all right, so with your wiper stuff like this, I think it is just a push in. Gotta do it with two hands, I guess. Push in and pull out. Okay. All right. There we go. So it'll tie it up in there. All right. Let's pull these on out. They come in little boxes of their own. And it looks like it has a thing here. I'll show you what side it is. I guess this is the this side, and once again for $208. Ah, it's pink. So this one goes on this side, the driver's side. All right, so you have to end up tearing them out of the box. This is quite a little task for these wipers. All right, got stuff all over them. Okay, so it's probably hard to see. I won't focus right, but have some numbers on there. Anyway, so I guess we can just stop focusing. Just so easily slide. Of course, I don't want to focus for some reason. Come on. Slide that back in. All right. And same thing. Grab that little punch and then pop it off. Come off. Then you can take your new one. See, it's got to be flush with that. All right. All right, there we go. Okay, there you have the new wiper blades. Let's test it out with the spray.